Okay, now let's analyze the situation where we are interested to drop the database that's already been created. So in this case, we have to make use of syntax called dropped database name followed by the database name, database keyword followed by the database name. So here the drop database sample. So here sample is actually the name of the database that's already been created previously. Now let's go to this set of window and we can share the screen and we can debug this particular query and we can get the result of the dropping of the particular database. Now we can see this database catalog available. Now, if we execute the query by adding this particular code, we can see this data catalog is going to disappear forever. It's already been debugged before. So if we just give a click and refresh, we can see the catalog will never be available anymore. We can see it's going to disappear forever. The catalog is no more available. Now we have got catalogs. So catalogs can be removed because catalog is previously available and it will go away from the history completely. So we can see it's a command is successfully completed. So this means that if you give a refresh on the database tree, these catalogs will be now available here. See, when the catalogs has got disappeared, now the sample one. So we can accordingly go on eliminating each of the databases from the history of the database engine of the SQL Server Management Studio. Now, say now it's a database dropping a database sample. So if you give an execution query and give a refresh of the database tree, so you get the sample has got disappeared. But similarly, the sample one can be removed. So we can execute followed with a refresh of the database tree, and we can see even the sample one has gone up. So in this way, we can remove each of the tables one after the other. The table drops each of the databases that's already been previously been created. Now we can go for the creating of the database. This is one it's already been done. It's better to give a refresh on the database tree. And we can start refreshing creating another database of the same name. So it's not going to affect anymore. So create database catalog. So it's going to create once again, and it's going to come in the history once again. So it has successfully been created. So we can give a refresh, and we can see the catalog is available with respect to tree and every condition that's available for each of the subsequent requirement for the table and other programmability conditions. Now, so accordingly, we can create for catalog customer as well. So I think there is a particular name of the same sort. So this is catalog customer. So it will restrict from making the same name. So it's better to rename it into a different one. So we name it as customer catalog. So it's of a different name. It can be executed and it can be worked out. So it's command can execute successfully. Now we can give a refresh on the database table or the tree, and we can give a refresh, and we can see the particular database name with the customer table is also available. So customer catalog is also available. So in this way, we can go on creating our own databases, and we can drop one after the other as well. So we can drop this particular case, from the history of the database again. Those commands also refresh. So we can view refresh of the database table and the tree, and we can see the customer catalog which say it's no more available here anymore. So that's what creating and dropping of database. Subsequently, we have carried out in this particular example.